Hey everyone, I'm here today to dive into something that might just make you rethink your next meal: salad greens. Yes, you heard me right. We're talking about the leafy greens that not only add a splash of color to your plate, but pack a hefty nutritional punch. First up, let's talk about kale. This super green is loaded with vitamins A, K, and C, and believe it or not, it's got more iron per ounce than beef. If you're looking to boost your immune system or amp up your bone health, kale should definitely be on your menu. Moving on, we've got spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients, featuring high levels of folate, magnesium, and iron. It's perfect for smoothies, salads, or just about any dish where you want a mild yet nutritious leafy green. Now, who can forget arugula? With its peppery flavor, it's not only a great base for any salad, but also brings with it a bounty of calcium and potassium, making it great for bone and heart health. Another gem in the realm of greens is Swiss chard. It stands out with its vibrant red stalks and dark green leaves, packed with antioxidants known for lowering blood sugar levels and improving heart health. And let's not overlook romaine lettuce. While often overshadowed by its leafy cousins, romaine is crisp, hydrating, and contains a good amount of vitamin C and K. It's perfect for those traditional Caesar salads, but don't hesitate to mix it up with some kale or arugula for a nutrient boost. But greens aren't just about vitamins and minerals. You can throw them into a smoothie, mix them into a wrap, or even sauté them with a bit of garlic and olive oil for a delightful side dish. So next time you're at the grocery store, think beyond iceberg lettuce. Experiment with different greens and discover the flavors and benefits each one offers. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Remember, incorporating a variety of salad greens into your diet isn't just about eating healthy. It's about enjoying a spectrum of flavors while fueling your body with the best nutrients out there. So, go ahead. Unlock the power of salad greens in your next meal. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see how you make these greens a part of your healthy lifestyle. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonderful world of nutrition.